video is in response to somebody on Facebook that had asked how you would do a drop shadow in Canva. So Canva doesn't have a drop shadow feature, but I'll show you real quick what I would do. So this is a printable that I created for my site, hasslefreesavings.com. I'll go ahead and set a colored background so that you can see that the printable is white. So if I want to add a drop shadow, what I'd do is I'd go into Elements and then just use one of the squares, which you can pull from Shapes. And then I usually do it with the layer over the top. And depending on how you want your drop shadow, you make it whatever size that you want. So in this case, I'm doing kind of an upper drop shadow instead of a lower drop shadow, right? So you could arrange it however you wanted. You're going to then position that backwards and then make any fine tuning. I use my arrow keys, and then you can change the color if you want and set the opacity, and then we'll go ahead and change the background back to white and just kind of adjust it until we have it the way that we want. So let's set a colored background, and there you can see how the drop shadow appears, and you can just come in here and adjust it however you like. Now let's say you wanted to then rotate this or have it appear at an angle. You're going to select both of those and group them, and now you can scale it however you like or turn it, and then your drop shadow is going to stay. So because you set the opacity to be less, you can see how you can kind of see through it just like you would on a normal drop shadow. So that's how I would do a drop shadow in Canva. I hope it helps. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more.